a simple piece of metal. First it is reamed, cut and polished, then assembled with fittings, screw fastened, riveted, laser engraved, and finally the safety hook is riveted. A 3S fall arrestor is born. It will ensure the safety of workers at height. Millions of people work at heights in challenging environments every day. At the 3S Lift Global R&D Center, outstanding engineers are sparking new, innovative, and brilliant designs. We listen to the needs of our customers, sharing knowledge and experience, and we support them all the way to ensure their projects run smoothly and safely. There are many fields and industries around the globe that require working at height. We strive to improve the safety, comfort, and efficiency of all the hardworking men and women in those jobs. We design and develop safety equipment and efficient solutions for people and companies who are engaged in working at heights. As a global supplier for access equipment, safety is the cornerstone of our business. In this industry, the requirement of the quality is high, and so is the competition. This is why 3S Lift products are always safe, simple, specialized. As our brand promises, the Test Wind Tower at the R&D Center simulates the actual environment of working at height inside a wind turbine, allowing us to perform operational testing and modification on each of our products. Safety is the #1 priority of our engineers, ensuring that every design, every component, and every product can make our customers safer. 3S Lift has applied for more than 600 patents worldwide, including more than 60 invention patents. We have obtained over 170 domestic and international certifications across key markets like the European Union, North America, Australia, etc. Research outcomes and achievements are constantly applied in each of our products, serving the hardworking people, making their daily work safe and reliable. In today's rapidly evolving digital age, fast delivery has also become an important customer indicator. 3S Lift has a comprehensive global service network, allowing us to provide customers with excellent responsiveness. Since its establishment, 3S Lift has pioneered a comprehensive range of equipment, including suspended access platforms, bridge tower maintenance equipment, service lifts, blade maintenance platforms, aluminum ladders, fall arrest systems, climb assists, auto descending devices, climb auto systems, auto hatch systems, offshore davit cranes, industrial elevators, tower climbers, ladder hoists, smart safety helmets, and harnesses. With wholly owned subsidiaries strategically located in the United States, Germany, India, Japan, Brazil, and Middle East, 3S Lift proudly commands the leading market share in the wind power industry. Our products have been exported to 72 countries and regions, serving diverse applications across 17 industries. As a leading supplier of work-at-height equipment and engineering solutions, 3S Lift is committed to driving innovation in the industry through continuous research and development for new equipment and services. Our products will be used all over the world and become the best in that field. Our mission is to provide market-leading quality products and premier customer services that exceed customer expectations and work hand-in-hand with customers to create our future together.